Good morning, all. I, Jayanti Dam, going to present on my topic skin lesion extraction using particle swarm optimization. And in this paper, my co-authors are Dr. Ranjita Raut, Dr. Priyadarshan Parida, and Dr. Ajit Kumar Patra from Department of ECE, JIT University, Guntur. And my paper ID is 32. And these are my outline of my paper: introduction, related work, proposed method, result and discussion, conclusion, and references. And coming to the introduction part, skin cancer is a disease of the cell in the skin. It is due to the development of abnormal cells that have the ability to spread to other parts of the body. And it is the out of control growth of abnormal cell in the outermost skin layer. And there are several types of skin cancer, and among all, melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer. It grows quickly, and it has the ability to spread other organs. Melanoma comes from skin cell called melanocytes, and melanoma have the different colors. And the majority of melanoma are black, brown, and sometimes they can be skin color pink, red, purple, blue, or white. And it caused mainly by intense or occasional UV exposure to disease, especially in those who are genetically predisposed to the disease. If melanoma is recognized and treated early in early stages, it is curable. But if it is not, the cancer can be spread to other parts, and it becomes hard to treat, and it can be fatal. And early detecting and correcting of melanoma is very important because early melanoma is highly treatable. And the ABCD rule is highly as preferable for this detection of melanoma. A stand for asymmetry, B stand for border, C stand for color, and D stand for diameter, and E stand for evolving. These are the warning sign of melanoma, and by identify this sign, we can easily identify the cell is melanoma or not. And next, coming to the related work. Over the past decades, algorithms based on computer vision have been used for early skin melanoma detection until 2002. The technique was often only used to classify melanoma. Additionally, a number of researchers have suggested a method for accurately identifying and extracting pigmentation lesion from images, utilizing a variety of image segmentation techniques. And the hybrid techniques such as combinations of unsupervised and supervised are also developed for skin lesion segmentation. Thapar et al. Introduced a reliable approach to the diagnosis of skin cancer. Here, the swarm intelligence algorithm was utilized for skin lesion segmentation. Gar et al. Introduced a segmentation technique for applying K-mean and an optimized FFA and assessed by taking images from ISIC dataset and PS2 datasets. Next, coming to our proposed method. The proposed method has three different stages. First one is pre-processing, then clustering using PSO, and post-processing technique. These are the steps. Pre-processing technique. The pre-processing stage is implemented to eliminate undesired artifacts like hair, particles, other bubbles, particles, and etc. So for removing the hairs, here we are use doll razor algorithm, and this algorithm of consists three steps, such as identifying the hair particles, removing the hair, and replacing hair pixel by bilinear interpolation method. And next one is clustering using PSO. The proposed method uses particle swarm optimization insert PSO for segmenting skin lesion. The development of PSO is aided by the social behaviors of fish schooling and avian flocking, and it considers both individual and group behavior in birds. Is that social interaction with the population enhances intelligence. When it is applied for skin lesion segmentation, it can help to optimize parameters or features of algorithm used in the segmentation process to improve accuracy and efficiency of the lesson. And this is the flowchart for our algorithm. So start with initialize particle position randomly, then initialize the velocity of each particle, then calculate the fitness value for each particle, then evaluate particle for best and global best, then modifying particle position and velocity, then if it is reached the maximum iteration, then go to the end, and if it is not, then move to the calculated fitness value part. And when pre-processed image is applied as an input to PSO, it identifies the lesson region based on clustering technique. This clustering is optimized using PSO algorithm to obtain the better segmentation result and to improve the accuracy of the lesson segmentation. Post-processing technique. The post-processing technique comprises of different steps such as morphological operation, biggest blob extraction, skin lesion extraction, and smooth boundary detection. These are the result and discussion of our paper. The proposed method is assessed using ISIC 2016 and ISIC 2017 datasets. A computer having i3 processor and 8 GB of RAM is used in this used in this paper, and the experiment in MATLAB R 2018b. The performance measure, that is accuracy, specificity, Jaccard index, sensitivity, as well as dice coefficient are considered to validate the proposed method. The result achieved using ISIC 2016 is given in table number 1 and compared with the existing approaches. The proposed method is an unsupervised approach, still is performance well in comparison to supervised and deep learning approaches. And it gives the 95% of 95.8% accuracy, which is the highest value in comparison to the other approaches. And the segmentation marks extracted lesson and accurate boundaries detected for different dermoscopic images are illustrated in this figure. The figure 1 is the image from the dataset and the B is ground truth, and the C column is the lesson marks from the proposed method, and the D is extracted lesson, and E is the boundary region. Here you can see the green lines are the boundary detection line. And this is the performance measure obtained from our proposed method using ISI 2016 dataset. And these are the other existing method. And our proposed method give the accuracy of 95.8%. And the SN is 95.3, Jaccard index is 93.82, and SP is 98.84, and dice coefficient is 94.2. Additionally, proposed method is examined using images from ISIC 2017. The result achieved using ISIC 2017 dataset is given in table number 2 and table number 2. It gives the comparison of proposed method with existing approaches. Performance measure obtained from the proposed method 2017. Our proposed method gives the accuracy of 96.78%, and the SN is 99.02, Jaccard index is 90.52, and other parameters. The extracted skin lesion and the boundary region detected using proposed method are illustrated in this figure, which gives the effectiveness of proposed method. These are the different type of different, like A is the image from the dataset. B is the ground truth image. C is the proposed method, and D is the extracted lesson, and E is the boundary region detection. Last one is conclusion. And this paper present an automated approach for extracting skin lesion using the PSO. Images from ISIC 2016 and to ISIC 2017 are employed to test the efficiency of proposed method. The performance measures achieved using different datasets are compared with recent approaches. To detect the accurate boundary region, Gole sliding polynomial filter is employed in proposed method. From the result, it is observed that proposed method extracted skin lesion more precisely from the dermoscopic images and also detect the boundary line accurately. And these are the reference of our papers. Thank you. Thank you for your patience of hearing.